Computer. More on Windows. Windows Media Player. A special program in Windows called Windows Media Player is used to play digital media files, audio and videos on a computer. It produces an interface to play and organize digital media files stored in the computer memory. Windows Windows Media Player also let you copy data from a CD or DVD to a computer and vice versa. From another option from a CD or DVD to any other portable device and vice versa. Starting Windows Media Player. To start Windows Media Player, follow these steps. Click on Start button. Step 2. On the left pane, select the Windows Accessories option. Step 3. Click on Windows Media Player from the drop-down list as shown in figure. Burning a CD or DVD. Burning a CD or DVD means copying data from a computer to a CD or DVD. It is the opposite of ripping a CVD or DVD. To burn a CVD or DVD, follow these steps. Enter WMP in the search bar and then click on Windows Media Player. The Windows Media Player window opens. Step 2. Click on the Burn tab. Select the Burn Options button and then select Audio CD or Data CD or DVD option. Step 3. Insert a blank drive into your CD or DVD drive. Search for the item in your library that you want to burn to the disk and then drag and to the list pane under the burn tab to create a burn list. Step 3. When you are finishing with the list, select Start Burning. Control Pane. Control Pane is the central location from where you can manage almost everything for a Windows operating system. This panel is used to make changes to various settings of a computer system such as Windows look, such as desktop background. Another option, data and timing settings, keyboard and mouse settings, network settings, program installation and removal. You can also control the settings of devices connected to a computer system. Use the control panel option. To open the control panel, follow the steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. On the left pane, select the Windows System and option. Click on drop down list. Step 3. Click on Control Panel. Changing data and time. To change the data and time on the computer, follow these steps. Click on Start. Then Step 2. Windows System. Step 3. Control Panel or type Control Panel in the search box and press Enter. Click on the clock and begin. category option in control panel. The clock and president window opens. Select date and time. The date and time dialog box appears. In the date and time tab, select change date and time. The date and time settings dialog box appears. Change the date and time as per your requirement. Click on OK to confirm your changes. Changing mouse settings. To change mouse pointer size and color, follow these steps. Select step 1. Select the hardware and sound category in the control panel window. And step 2. Under the device and printer section, click on the mouse link. The mouse properties dialog box appears. The buttons tab is selected by default. In the button configuration section, you may select the checkbox if you use mouse with your left hand. Step 4. In the double click speed section, move the slider bar to increase or decrease the double clicking speed of the mouse. Click on apply and then click on OK. Installing and uninstalling an application. To use a program, you first need to install it on a computer. Installing an application or a program means to place it on a computer memory to make it ready for use. You can install an application throughout a CD or DVD, USB or the internet. Installing from a troubleshooting. You may encounter virus troubles while using a computer. The process of identifying, planning and resolution a problem is called troubleshooting. Consider the following errors. Cause 1. Error message is displayed. If your computer promotes an error message, then look for it in the help and support figure. Further, if you are unable to solve the trouble, even then you can always ask an expert. Thank you.